The term line management has its origins in traditional industry, but the idea is equally applicable to any role which carries responsibility for one or more individuals, particularly responsibility which extends to managing the performance of those individuals. Not all leadership and management practitioners within an organisation will be line managers, but all line managers are leadership and management practitioners. As such, a line manager is as reliant as the chief executive officer of the business upon the principles, ideas and approaches to effective leadership and management discussed thus far in this module. So what can we say about the functions of a line manager? Well, the term implies that they are likely to have direct responsibility for other personnel, and so must get to know those personnel for all the reasons discussed in the earlier sections of this module, in order to ensure they can lead and manage that individual in the most effective way in terms of the individual, the team, and any task outcomes. At the same time, an individual should understand who his or her line manager is and seek to get to know them. Without this relationship, it will be very difficult for the line manager to make an objective assessment of the individual's capability, performance, and potential. And it will be equally difficult for the individual to understand what expectation their line manager has of them. This direct relationship also carries a responsibility for the line manager to be the first link in the chain of spotting and developing talent. So why is this important? Well, the answer has two main components. Firstly, people are the engine which drives business. Through hard work, through innovation, the intelligent application of ideas, skill and knowledge, and of course, individual talent. So investment in personnel, through an ethos which nurtures all of these things, is central to business success and the ability of a business to compete in the marketplace. Secondly, humans enjoy success. To compete and achieve is one of our most primal instincts. In the modern world, achievement takes on a very different form to that which would have been recognised by our ancestors, but the outcome is the same.